Withdrawing money from Cash App to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to transfer your funds easily. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your balance and withdrawal options. Step 2. Tap on the balance. Look for your Cash App balance displayed on the home screen. Tap on it to proceed to the withdrawal options. Step 3. Select Cash App. After tapping on your balance, you will see an option labeled Cash Out. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to transfer to your bank account. Review the amount to ensure it is correct before proceeding. Step 5. Choose transfer speed. You will be prompted to select the transfer speed, standard, which is free and takes 1 minute, 3 business days, or instant, which incurs a small fee and transfers immediately. Choose your preferred option and confirm the transaction. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Always double check your bank details to avoid any issues with the transfer.